Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Azimio leader Raila Odinga moved to drum up more support for his African Union AU Commission chairmanship bid at the AU Soil and Fertilizer Conference held in Nairobi. The summit was attended by 6 African presidents, terming the coordinated sequence of events as an introduction. Thomas Mauko reports.
As the campaign for Azimio la Umoja leader Raila Odinga AUC bid gained momentum, Odinga was at the Soil and Fertilizer Summit to lobby support for his bid. The conference was attended by 6 presidents from Africa and presented a perfect opportunity for Odinga to lobby more African nations behind him for the February 2025 upcoming chairmanship election. Odinga was at hand to receive President Ruto and other African leaders upon entry into the KICC auditorium. According to his handlers, the meeting, which appeared coordinated from State House, was to serve as an introduction for Odinga to the heads of state present at the event. This was to be a precursor for scheduled meetings set to take place in their respective countries. The African heads of state present at the African Union Soil Summit included Faustin Tudera, President of the Central African Republic, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, President of the Republic of Malawi, Hakainde Chilema, President of the Republic of Zambia, Emerson Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Nangolo Mbumba, President of the Republic of Namibia, and Prime Minister of the Republic of Burundi, all of whom interacted with the former premier. Odinga's AUC chairmanship quest, despite receiving a backing from most of East African heads of state, is still in limbo as hurdles keeps on emerging, threatening to shut his dream. Fania Yusuf Adam from Somalia has escalated her push and is now seeking to have the backing of Islamic nations to support her bid, according to Somalia's foreign ministry. In Djibouti, the country's foreign minister is angling to succeed Musa Faki at the helm of AU, threatening East Africa voting bloc. Here in Kenya, Odinga is faced with the challenge of whether to remain silent or critique the government over its ill. The government says it's backing Odinga's bid. To make matters worse for Odinga, his allies are calling on him to drop the AUC bid and instead concentrate in the 2027 polls. Until now, Odinga is yet to submit his documentation for the AUC offices. Reporting for Tonao Media Group, I'm Thomas Mauko.